Hi my guys, so today is a weekend and so we don't take a trade. We are just gonna chill until on Monday, so next week. So next week we'll take a trade. So here is my setup as you can see on euro dollar. So we have a break of structure right here. We have a break of structure right here. And yeah, so basically this fund is out of out of the page. So yeah, as you can see right here. Guys, so let's take that. So as you can see right here, this is our low that the price has made. So yeah, that's my setup. So as you can see, this is my demand zone. So yeah, this is my demand zone. So yeah, that's basically it. So we wait for next week's setup to line up. So let's just see. And also as you can see, this is sell side liquidity. We have sell side liquidity, so that's a good thing. So yeah, and as you can see on USD and JPY, so we have nothing much here. We are not waiting for anything. Let's say just we are waiting for a change of character to be made down here. So yeah, and guys, as you can see on my MT5, I've not taken any trade. So let me show you. So guys, this is my MT5, and as you can see, I'm not taking any trade since last week. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just protecting my capital as usual. So as you can see, yeah, this is it. So this is my phase 2. I'm not taking any trade. So, and I just bought, I told you I bought 10k, so this is the 10k. So yeah guys, don't forget to join Maven Prop Farm. This is the prop farm where you can get the lowest fees. So if people don't have much to invest, so you can invest on that Maven account. You can buy as low as $13 or $15. So guys, this is the Maven prop farm. As you can see, it's the best prop farm you can get this year 2026. So guys, go check it out. As you can see, as low as $14, it has really reduced. So guys, go take your account and pass the challenge and get funded, so get your payout. Yeah guys, don't miss this chance guys. So don't forget to subscribe guys, like, share and subscribe and comment on the next video. So this is part 4 for those who have not watched part 2, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So this is part 4. Go check it out on my channel. So yeah, for new members who have been joined, so for the first time, so this is your greatest channel. So margin call. So guys, I love you guys. So thanks for watching this video. See you guys.